Modifying base sheets is one way that you can create your own custom report. If you want to edit the sheets, you'll have to duplicate the sheet within the app. To duplicate a base sheet within the published application, go to the app overview and right-click on the base sheet and select Duplicate. Then you can select the sheet and enter into edit mode. You will see two items on the left-hand navigation menu, Master Items and Charts. Master items are items that can be used and reused for other projects. Here, you can see the list of master visualizations. These are visualizations that Tricentis has created for your use. For this base sheet, the visualizations are pre-built charts and filters for your defect data. To add them into your sheet, simply make room for them on the gridded space, and then drag and drop them onto the page. I want to highlight two very useful master visualizations that we provide for you right out of the box: the project filter and the object level filters. These will act as global filters for this sheet and allow you to choose the project, release, build, etc. from which this sheet will report against. The charts items help you build brand new charts, either from scratch or by conversion of an already existing chart or table. I'll show you both methods. However, I'm going to show you within a brand new sheet and not a base sheet. I go ahead and finish up with this sheet and I return to the app overview. To create a brand new sheet, I can scroll down to the My Sheets section and choose Create New Sheet. I give it a meaningful name and then I open it up. For now, it is just a blank sheet with no elements or objects. But I want to add a project filter as well as a table. So I first add my filter from the master visualizations, and then I go ahead and I add my first chart item. I'll choose a table item. I drag and drop it onto the screen. To add data to report against, I'll need to add dimensions and measures. Dimensions are simply descriptive text values, so for example, test case type or test case name. Measures are the fields upon which calculations can perform. So measures are calculated results of the values of a dimension or a field. I want to make a table that will provide information on the amount of defects per defect status value. So I add my proper dimensions and measures and my chart is built for me. If I wanted to narrow the data sum, I could always do so by selecting a specific project in the project filter. We mentioned earlier your ability to create a chart by way of conversion. Let's say that I want to create a pie chart that will display the same data as the table. I could simply copy and paste the table, and then drag and drop the pie chart item onto the pasted table and choose Convert. Editing your charts is very quick and easy in Tricentis Analytics. I can change dimensions and measures right within the right-hand nav menu. I can change dimension labels, chart colors, and a whole lot more under the Appearance area seen here.